People spend a lot of their time coordinating their actions together with other people. Examples range from handing money to a cashier and receiving a cup of coffee in return, to playing together on a sports team or singing in a choir. When we do these kinds of activities, each person involved has to plan their actions and adjust them on the fly in light of what they expect other people to do and in light of the shared goals that they're trying to achieve. My research investigates the mental processes and brain activity that allow us to do these kinds of activities together. The two main techniques we use in the lab are recording the timing of people's actions and recording their brain activity using EEG. With EEG, we can measure the electrical activity of the brain through small metal discs placed on people's scalps. We're currently using recently developed EEG hyperscanning techniques, which means that we record brain activity from 2 or more people at the same time. We ask our participants to do things like coordinate sequences of taps together with each other, or make music together using electronic music boxes. These are devices that let people with no musical experience make music together just by spinning simple rotating discs. We also sometimes work with professional musicians outside the lab. In our most recent project, we recorded brain activity from 4 violinists during a performance of the Saskatoon Symphony Orchestra. Our research looks at brain activity both within people and synchronized across people. Looking at brain activity within people, we answer questions like, how do people form mental representations of the shared goals they're trying to achieve? Or how does my brain respond to mistakes that I make compared to mistakes that my partner makes? Looking at brain activity synchronized across people is very new. We're just starting to understand the extent to which this synchrony happens, and the psychological processes that contribute to it. A question that we're currently working on is whether synchrony across brains underlies a feeling of acting together as one that can sometimes happen when people play music together, for example, in large groups. Our research helps us understand things like how people can optimize their coordination to work together more smoothly and with fewer errors, and it can also potentially answer questions like, why does playing music together with other people lead to mental health benefits?